Now let's begin with modals. Further about auxiliary verbs you will read in your next classes. So modals are also helping verbs, but these are different from the auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs like can, could, might, may, shall, should, etc. are known as modals. These tell us the mode of any work, like such an ability of any person, possibility of doing anything, probability, permission, etc. So we should start learning the modals. First of all is can or could. Can is generally used to make a request, seek or grant any permission, or to show the ability. Let's see the uses. First of all, to request someone. Sometimes when we request to anybody, then we use can. Like, can you help me with my work? This is a request. क्या तुम मेरी हेल्प करोगे? Can you help me with my work? So when we make request, it is a general request, not much polite. Generally जब हम किसी से पूछते हैं, request करते हैं, then we can use the can. Second is to grant permission. Like जब हम किसी से permission लेते हैं, can I borrow your pen? It is a permission. That can I take your pen? क्या मैं तुम्हारा पेन ले सकता हूँ? Third is to show ability. Ability means the power of anybody to do something. Like, I can write 5 poems a day. It is the ability of a person that he or she can write 5 poems a day. Like, I can, मैं लिख सकता हूँ 5 poems a day. It is the ability. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. And could is generally the past form for can. The next is will. Will is generally used to express belief about the present or future, to talk about what people want to do, and to make promises, offers, and requests. So let's begin it with that expressing belief. Expressing belief means like जब हम अपने beliefs को express करते हैं. That, see the example, John will be in his office. It is a belief. ये उसका विश्वास है कि जॉन अपने ऑफिस में होगा. And it is about the present. Second is to talk about what people want to do. Like, see the second, take the train. It is about future. What he want to do, he want to take the train. So we will have to take the train in future. Third is to make promises, offers, and request. Like, I will do that. It is a promise कि मैं इसे करूँगा. I will do that. The next one is would. So would is generally used to talk about the past, or we can say that it is the past form of will. Second, to talk about imagination. And third, for politeness. Let's see the examples. Dad would not lend me the car, so we had to take the train. It shows the past, but in that past, the person is talking about the future. It means that he was saying कि पापा मुझे कार नहीं देंगे तो मुझे ट्रेन लेनी पड़ेगी. But it is in the past कि पापा मुझे कार नहीं देने वाले थे, इसलिए मुझे ट्रेन लेनी पड़ी उस टाइम में. So here we use would. Second, it would be very expensive to stay in a hotel. See the sentence. Person is just imagining that the hotel is very expensive. वो इमेजिन कर रहा है कि एक होटल में स्टे करना वेरी एक्सपेंसिव होगा. Here we use would. The third is, would you carry this for me? It is a request, but very polite request. That is, would you carry this for me? क्या आप ये उठा लेंगे मेरे लिए? I think all of you understood this. So the next one is shall. Shall is generally used with I and we to show the future actions. Apart from this, it is used to make a suggestion, to ask questions politely, to deliver obligation and requirement. We can understand it very well from these examples. You shall abide by the laws. Here, the person is saying that you shall abide by the laws. आपको जो कानून है उसके अकॉर्डिंग चलना चाहिए, कानून को मानना चाहिए. It is a suggestion. Here we use shall. The second is, shall we dance? क्या हम डांस करें? It is a question, but it is very polite question. It is not an order or command. Here we use shall. Shall we dance? The third is, students shall not enter this room. It is an obligation कि students को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Students shall not enter this room. The next one is should. Should is used to express an opinion, suggestion, preference or an idea. Like हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए. हम किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. We can give an advice and then there we use should. Like you should brush your teeth daily. आपको अपने ब्रश जो है डेली, अपने टीथ जो है डेली ब्रश करने चाहिए. It is an advice. We can't force anybody. Next is, I should take a bus this time. कि मुझे इस टाइम पर बस लेनी चाहिए. So about other models we will read in the next lecture. And if any student have any query regarding this, they may ask to me.